Looking for a role where you can design, build, and shape the brains behind advanced automation? Delkor Systems, North America's fastest growing robotic packaging manufacturer, is hiring a controls engineer to help drive the future of our integrated systems. As a controls engineer at Delkor, you'll work on a full spectrum of automation design. You'll create PLC programs, HMI layouts, and complete control architectures for both standalone machines and complex integrated packaging lines. From early design to final implementation, you're the one engineering how our systems think, move, and perform. You'll collaborate closely with test technicians and mechanical engineers during factory setup, support the service team with troubleshooting in the field, and work directly with customers to ensure smooth, successful installations. Every day brings a technical challenge, from robotics and motion control to kinematics, vision systems, and advanced automation strategies. This role puts you at the center of innovation. We believe top engineering talent deserves to be recognized. That's why this role comes with top pay and strong opportunities for growth in one of the most advanced automation environments in the industry. We're looking for self-driven problem solvers, engineers who thrive on tough challenges, communicate clearly, stay organized, and take ownership from concept to completion. Delkor's Minneapolis, Minnesota headquarters houses 300,000 square feet of metalworks, machining, and assembly floor space with over 350 employees. We're leaders in the industry, continuously innovating our award-winning world-class technology. If you want to engineer the future of automated packaging and be part of a fast-growing team, apply today to become one of Delkor's exceptional controls engineers.